Today, I'm going to show you how by mixing this image with this one, we get this image and then create an absolutely amazing commercial spot.
This is Vitali Essentials, our maximum absorption supplement.
And now you have your AI avatar, your model showcase, your product ready to launch, and all of it without needing anyone else. Do you want to know how? Let's go. First of all, let me explain how the TikTok marketplace and affiliate program work, because a lot of people skip this foundation and then don't understand why they're not making enough money or any money at all. You join the TikTok affiliate program. You can have 5,000 followers or not have them, because in the end, you'll still be able to access that marketplace. And what we're going to do is simply choose a product within the marketplace, which we can improve thanks to the tool I'm bringing you today. Inside the marketplace, you'll be able to find tons of products from any niche to brand and even improve upon compared to the competition without even having the product. Let me explain, and you'll see what I mean. I've chosen a product that I think is a winner and can be greatly improved within the marketplace, which are these particular sneakers. With them, we can easily make money through affiliate marketing, since by adding the link below, every time someone buys through your link, you'll earn a commission from that sale. All right, now what we're going to do is recreate the video so you can see the entire process step by step, so you can do it too. So let's get started. What would we do now? Well, it's as simple as inserting an AI model, or we could also record ourselves to create the specific ad spot for the product we want to launch in the marketplace, which we've found has really good reviews. We could include the product in the description, and we could also add an avatar if we wanted to, or if we wanted to give it a different kind of performance. In this case, we're going to select Spanish as the language. You could choose the format you want, the duration in seconds, and the quality you prefer. In this case, we don't need it to last 12 seconds. 8 seconds is more than enough at this speed and with this ratio for short reels on TikTok, Instagram, and so on. And here we would have our first winning product that I have selected, along with the model who would promote it. Obviously, she speaks, shows us the product, which is of great quality, and clearly you would have a perfect ad ready to distribute. But we could improve this so much more. We know that the winning formulas have 5 steps. Step 1, find a winning product, a product that has good reviews. Step 2, find a viral format like the one we're seeing where we can brand our product. Step 3, recreate the content in your own style. Step 4 would be to test multiple options. And step 5, honestly, would be to just sit back and wait, watching the results come in from a job well done. And this is the difference of a branded product with our prompt.
Absolute comfort for mom, now with a 30% discount for Mother's Day.
But that's not all, we've taken it to the next level. And thanks to Skydance 2.0, we have a much more realistic image quality, and we can showcase the product much better. In this case, we would be showing that it's like a multivitamin, and of course we could make the video longer and have it do effects, tricks, whatever we want. And here you can see the huge difference between someone doing it in an amateur TikTok style and what you can achieve with Skydance in vMake. We've made our first video much more professional. What have we done here? We haven't needed any professional equipment, because in practice you need real creators, you need physical samples, you need to have your product in hand for it to arrive to you, and that can take weeks. With this, the competition gets ahead of you. Well, not anymore, that's over, because now you won't need to have a lot of experience in video editing or video production. All right, now let's move on to a very interesting part, which is AI avatar video. Let's see the magic that happens in here. We have this green dress, we can zoom in perfectly, and we're going to create a prompt as if it were a real person. We'll use Skydance 2.0. And since Skydance has arrived, yes, vMake has Skydance 2.0, a version that's highly sought after and ultra realistic. All right, in just a moment, we already have our model, so we could also tell her anything we want. Look how well done it is. The prompt was created by me, so you can see the fabric, the type of cut, and how the dress looks on a woman. Pure, unadulterated realism. And here I want you to see the crazy difference between doing it with this platform and doing it with others, where the background is completely white and you don't get the sharpness you see now. You see an avatar render that doesn't look like a real person at all, and obviously the movement, if you pay attention to how the texture comes closer, it's on a whole different level, nothing like the others. On top of all that, you could also add a voiceover, and you could use an AI template to make it look more natural, and either use a preset avatar or add one of your own. And now we're moving on to a really interesting section, product presentation, okay? Here, we're going to do something truly wild. We're going to do something really impressive, making it look like a full trailer ready to publish and start making your sales, all from just a simple product. So let's take the sports sneakers. We could have a spoken text. In this case, we could add some text in Spanish that we want to be said about the sneakers, for example. Let's do it with music, using a template. We're going to select Skydance 2.0 and generate. And we end up with our product showcase with all the editing already done, which we could also tweak using my voice, since that's included as well, and it would turn out perfect. So what we're going to do now with this prompt is ask it to brand this image for us to create, let's say, an advertising spot for the marketplace that combines these two images. In this case, I mentioned that Mother's Day is coming up, so I wanted to merge the two spots because these women's sneakers are what we're going to use to make our sales. And here we have the result of this combination. Mother's Day is literally just around the corner. We've merged the two images and now we have the perfect commercial. It would be a good hook and a great opening image, to the point that we can do something crazy like this for you. The image we've seen, the one we designed for Mother's Day, we can turn it into a video for you. Yes. And all of this all-in-one solution, we have thanks to an amazing platform called VMake, which is where we can easily do all kinds of creative things. For example, thumbnails, like the Instagram cover image. Here you'll have access to many tools, such as the AI thumbnail tool, for example. And I took this image and it instantly created this cover for me, which would be like making a bunch of thumbnails. But of course, we could also do it with our winning sneaker. In the same way, down here, we'll have lots of examples of branding products showing how others are doing it. We could add a product ourselves and do it the same way. We don't have to generate a standard one. Here we already have ideas that we could use as if they were free templates for ourselves. In the end, everything will depend on the winning product you want to choose from within the TikTok marketplace to start selling as an affiliate. In the same way, we can also fix the sharpness of cameras, videos, photos, everything, and also remove the watermark, which really pisses me off. And we can also do the same thing with videos, where we can clearly and sharply see the before and after. And this is where the magic happens. How can we see that on the right side? Unlike the left, you can even enhance it from 2 to 4 to 5K without any problem. And here you can see the difference in how the result looks much sharper and much more professional. And we can do that with videos, photos, or anything else. Here we have all the tools, which are many, and above all of them are very useful. And you should remember and see that everything, absolutely everything, is available within VMake on the same platform. So the first thing I want to tell you is that down below in the description, you'll find a code with my link so you can sign up yourself, get some special perks, and start right away with VMake. Because I'm telling you, many of the features here, like UG video, avatar video, product showcase, lip sync, switching languages from Spanish to English depending on where your audience is, whether you want to launch in Spain or America, aren't something you find every day on a single platform. That said, I'll say goodbye here. I'm aidotha. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.